Hey guys, welcome to Drawing Art Fun and Enjoy. Today we're drawing the one and only Bart Simpson from The Simpsons. First, let's draw his big rounded eyes and two simple dots for his pupils with his nose. Next, draw his spiky hair, those 9 signature spikes that we all know and love. Then draw his ears and don't forget his mischievous grin. Bart's always up to something fun. Move on to his body. Draw a rectangular torso and short sleeves for his iconic red shirt. Keep it simple, Bart's style is all about clean lines. Now, let's work on his arms and legs. Bart's in a relaxed pose here, so draw his arms down by his side and draw Bart's classic blue shorts. Next, his legs slightly bent, as if he's about to hop on his skateboard and sneakers, and don't forget to add shadows for depth when coloring. Time for the skateboard. Draw a long, flat oval shape for the deck, and add 2 small circles for the wheels underneath. Make sure the skateboard looks like it's leaning against Bart. Lastly, outline everything in black and start coloring. Bart's got his signature yellow skin, a red shirt, blue shorts, and white sneakers. Thanks for drawing with me today, and remember, a splash of color can brighten anyone's day. You can leave a comment below for your suggestion drawing, and we will try to draw in our next video. See you on next video.